What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be making another video, Sneezing on Freddy Part 2. You want more? Well, wait down low and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave comments down below if you want more. You won't miss another video. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, I'm inside the car. What the hell are you talking to? I'm just talking to my friends. Alright, so. Cookie, get off my Cookie. Hey, I was sneezing you with my. I was playing pretend I was sneezing. Wait, so you weren't sneezing? Yeah. Well, I didn't. I don't feel some kind of boogers all over, wet boogers all over me. But wait, if I don't feel some kind of wet stuff all over my head, how come you're not sneezing? It does no water sneeze all over your nose. Because I pranked you? Wait, you pranked me? Yeah, I pranked you with a sneeze. You mother... Just snacks me! Oh, you've been doing this, I'll tell you. Yeah, that feel. You like that? Yeah, that's what you get, you little shit. That's what you get. Oh, wait. Were you watching me this whole entire time? I hate asking you about that video. Subscribe right to the video, and I'll see you all next time. Boy, I'm gonna kick you out so you keep doing that same prank again. I will.